Hey guys, it's Camilla from Code with Camilla. Before installing Visual Studio on Mac, we have to install Xcode. Xcode is a source code editor just like Visual Studio, but it uses Objective-C, which is another programming language we won't get to, but we are going to use it. So go to your App Store, type Xcode in the search engine, and the first icon here, you press the Get, Install App, and here you have to enter your Apple ID and password, and press Sign In. So now you see here it's installing, and you just wait. So if you go to your Launchpad at the bottom of the screen, you can see that it's downloading, and it has to go to 5.3 gigabytes, so it's going to take some time. So at this point, Xcode has finished downloading. Now you don't need to do anything with it, but it is necessary for using Visual Studio as well. So go to our next video where my dad will explain how to install Visual Studio.